In this next part of the procedure, we want to scale the x-axis. That's this axis here. And we want to look at the values here that we have. If you look, we have a low number of 4 and a high number of 14. So the range here is 10. Okay, so it varies over 10. Next, we want to count these squares that are available here on the graph paper. Each large division has 5 squares, so there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40. 40 squares, okay? All right, so we take the number of squares and we divide it by the range, and it tells us that every 4 squares we have a value of 1, okay? Now, we don't want to start with 0 because our graph does not begin with 0. We begin with 4 here. So I'm going to put 4 right here. And then every 4 squares, I'm going to increase by 1. Okay, so that's how I can use the full range of the graph paper. If I had to graph out to 15 or something like that, I would round this to a higher number and I would round this down to a lower number and make this fewer squares.